everyone, this is Mary, Northwest Sewing Center. Wanted to give you another tip of the week. This week we're going to show you the chenille cutter, and we're using that on our project. On June 13th we'll be doing the Kimberbell Club, and we're going to use our chenille cutter to make the chenille on the flamingo. So we're working today on the Flamingo Beauty's Bench Buddy, so I'm going to show you how to use a cutter, but we're going to prepare our fabric first. So we've gotten our stitching so far, so now we're getting ready to make our chenille. So we're going to place several layers of fabric on top of our piece, and then we're going to stitch over this. So it's going to make the different rows, and then after it stitches, we'll show you how to do it. Right now we've stitched all 3 layers down, and it's stitched these lines. So now with this cutter, the chenille cutter, I can just simply pull it right through there, and it's going to cut all the layers. So I'll get a perfect cut, and I can do that on each one of these. So it's really quick to cut, and you can make chenille. All your lines cut, you can take just a brush and just kind of brush over that fabric like that, and then it forms a chenille. Isn't that neat? So now we have a chenille. Okay, so I wanted to show you, this is a little pillow we had made before with the chenille, but you can see how pretty that turns out. And we're still working on our flamingo, so in a few days we'll have it finished, but you can see how fun that was today, making the chenille it's real easy to use this little cutter. So anyway, just thank you again for joining us this week for Tip of the Week. Thank you.